We found LAC through industry contacts. During the quotation process of LAC, they took us to see various sites where they'd installed equipment. We could understand from there that the scale that they were working to was appropriate to what we were trying to deliver today and also what we'd be trying to deliver in the future. What we're creating is the technology to allow people to farm insects. A third of all food is wasted in the existing chain. By bringing insects into it, which are kind of nature's recyclers, we're able to turn that food waste into high quality protein and remove dependence on soy and fish meal, which are hugely damaging to the environment. The concept phase is probably one of the strongest phases I think LAC do really, really well. A lot of the development we did of the design was done in that initial concept phase. That really helped us to know that when we decided to go ahead with LAC, that we're going to be getting a solution that would work.
We specialise in the black soldier fly. It's super fast growing, so it converts waste into protein in a really condensed amount of time. It's non-disease, non-vector, can't land on feces, for instance, and then transmit that to food. And it eats any food waste, so any organic matter.
From beginning to end, our relationship with LAC has been very positive and very constructive. We found that LAC is willing to take decisive action when it needs to be taken, but also it's a company that is kind of able to service what we're doing today and also our ambitions.
It's been a real game changer to have the facility here and have the technology that LAC have provided us and we've worked on with them. Customers can come here, see it in their own eyes, see the modularity of the systems, see the efficiencies that this will enable them to have, and it's really blown them away.
The benefits of the integrated system, it is much less expensive for us. It's easier to maintain because the robot really needs almost no maintenance whatsoever. The conveyance systems are pretty integral on their own, so they don't need a whole lot of maintenance, need regular cleaning obviously. But we could integrate that into our software, into our PLC software, and it was easier to use the LAC conveyors because they had a proper front end on the controllers for the conveyors.
Having a system that's modular allows us to go, if we need to change this in a year, 2 years, 3 years, we can. We don't have to rip everything up and start again. Future plans for Entocycle are expansion, essentially. We're a scale-up company. We are currently quoting for very, very large-scale facilities, and we're currently designing some large-scale facilities across the UK and Europe. So very exciting for us right now in terms of the scale of facilities that we're looking at. I think if you're looking for someone who understands industry, who is pragmatic and realistic and will give you an accurate understanding of what it's going to be, what it's going to cost, then I think LAC will do the job for you. And I think the level of aftercare that we've had as well has been really impressive, that there wasn't a sense that we've done it and then we leave. There was a sense of we've done it, is it working, get value for us, but much more importantly, value for our customers.